Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Polomi. Friends, it's a winter time. Winter time means seasonal vegetables. Seasonal vegetables are always very colorful, and colorful veggies always inspire me to make colorful mixed veggies. Yes, and today I'll show you easiest and simplest way without any spices. You can say little spices. Definitely you need a little bit of spices to cook and very few amount of oil. So let's check it out. Now for this mixed veg I took 2 medium sized potato, 4 local beans, 1/4 piece of brinjal, 1/4 piece of capsicum, 2 carrot, little amount of pumpkin, beans, 1 radish, and I have chopped all my veggies into medium size, not too big, neither too small. Now I have put on my oven and I have placed my cooker on it by adding 2 spoon of mustard oil and added Panch Foron. It's a Bengali spice, friends. Next, 2 chilies chopped. Now I am adding my chopped veggies in it. Now mix the veggies finely with the Panch Foron and hot mustard oil. Now after 2 minutes I have added haldi powder and salt as per taste. And again mix all the veggies with haldi powder and salt very well so that the masala should. Now I have added little bit of sugar. Here I have used Everest garam masala. It is super yummy, and garam masala contains lot of spices and it has helped my vegetable very tasty and yummy too. Everest garam masala adds very good aroma in my veg dishes. Not only you can add this Everest garam masala in veg dishes, but also you can definitely add this garam masala in non-veg dishes too. Now I am adding 1 cup of water. Water I have added to add some curry, and I have covered the cooker with its lids by waiting 2 to 3 whistles. After 2 to 3 whistles, I have opened the lid and check the color of my mixed veg changed, and it is absolutely ready to serve in my dining table. Well friends, you can have it with rice, or it will best to go with roti chapati in winter. Bye bye.